Hello everyone, today I'm going to show this pretty style which is made from a 4-strand braid and a donut bun. So I'm just combing all the hair over to one side and that will make my parting so much easier to do. So I'm going to do quite a deep parting on this left side. I'm going to take it over . And because I comb the hair in the same direction as the parting is perfect. So I'm just going to section off like this. See, so I don't want the line to keep going all the way down. I'm just going to go to just above her ear. And then the rest of the hair I'm going to put into a low ponytail. I'm going to use one of these bungees. Just going to catch the hair there and wrap it around. So for the 4-strand braid, I want to cover over this parting line. So when I'm taking the hair, I'm only going to be taking from the front of the head. I'm not going to be taking anything from this side because I want the braid to sit at the back of the head so you can see it from behind a lot more clearly. So I'm working with fairly wet hair. Quite like to braid like this for ballet, so it goes in well and it lasts. But you can braid with dry hair, but this I find is the best way to not have all the flyaways. I'm going to take a triangular section from the front, like this. And I'm going to comb it so it's going over the parting line here. I don't want it going over there. So I'm going to pull it over slightly, section it into 3 pieces. So I've got my 3 pieces here. This one, I'm going to just take a little slice off of it so I get a small piece there. So now I've got 1, 2 and 3. This one is going to do lots of the jobs. It's going to go over and it's going to go under. So I'm going to start with this one on the outside and it's going to go over this side. This little one is going to go over. So to begin with, it's like a French braid, we're just going over. But now I'm going to take this piece under. So I'm going to go under this one. And then remember that little one that we had? This little one is now going to go under as well. So that is the first stitch. So the first 3 on this side, they're all going over, but then the first 3 on this side, they go under. So I'm going to scoop up a small slice of hair right up to the parting line, combine it with the piece of hair that was on this side. I'm going to take both of them over that section, take my little piece over, and then now working from this side, I'm going to go under, get my little piece to go under. So there's my next stitch done. I'm going to take some more hair now and add it to this piece. Slice up towards that parting line so I'm getting all of the hair in that section. I'm going to combine it with this piece, take it over the middle, and this little piece is going to go over the middle. I'm going to start on this side and take it under the middle. Okay, so at this point, before I go any further, what I like to do is it's nice just to tease on this outside edge slightly. See if I can show you a bit better on this side. Let's get these pretty little loops popping up. Okay, so let's carry on. Add. I'm just going to continue as just a 4-strand braid, just going, just continuing it all the way, but without adding any more hair now. Oh, careful to get it from the ponytail. Now I've got the bun on, I'm going to get this braid and wrap it over the top. Just go around and pinning in the ends. I love a 4-strand braid, they're so pretty. Thank you for watching this tutorial, we hope you like it. Please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, you can do that by clicking over here. Click on the bell and then you'll be notified when we do our next video coming very soon. So have a great day, take care, bye!